How to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later problem. So if you want to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later problem, then what you need to do is simply open up your settings application at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, you can go with your installed apps. Tap on see all apps. Now you just need to simply go with search, which is on the upper right, and you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, just simply tap on it. Go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you just need to simply go back and you need to go with mobile data and Wi-Fi. Here you need to go with restrict data usage. And once you restrict your data usage, then again unrestrict it and your problem might be fixed. Once you've done that, you need to open up your Play Store if you're using your Android and go with search. Under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched, if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, you need to open up your WhatsApp, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.